I'm recording with Khalid's friend. Hi Khalid.
Hey, what's
How are you?
What's up, guys? Welcome to my shop.
Yes, exactly.
Oh snap, it's Coco.
You know, day 2, mate, day 2 of the vlogs in Hargeisa. As you can see, mate, man's rocking that Nike, all Nike, everything. Got invited to a football match, my second game in Hargeisa. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Day 2, peace, blessings, ski ski. Just stopped off at my boy's shop. He's gonna tell you the story of how we met. It's pretty funny, but I'm glad we met that way because I need to actually make some Somali friends to learn Somali. You know what I mean? You need to be embedded into the country. Abdi-Fatah.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
I'm fine.
وفعن هاي؟ Alhamdulillah. ورنيو.
Yes.
كهجلشة. Yeah, my Somali is really bad, by the way. كهجلشة. Aniga وذيga. How we met, alright? Tell them.
Okay. إنا كان مقعد وعفتها مع سيد إنك محل خالد. وحيوي هبينا كملا من نايت. سووا وين أي أولاد يسوق علي. لين وحنا بحين ومعلها أمبل بهاي وانقبتي وفليسي. صاحبي ساس وانقبتي ونفي عن. شنو؟ اسمه درايفر سهل. خالد. This is my shop. I'm going now. Okay. Okay. Tell me shop.
Okay, yo, listen, guys. If you want a shop, what's this location? Where is this? Where is this? Skuska Harawa. Yeah. All right. So check the shop out. The name is
Rasmi,
bro.
Rasmi. Yes.
Rasmi. This is the shop to come to if you're in this area.
We're just off to football right now, but it's busy now. Like after Asr prayers, like everything gets busy here, man. Proper crazy. Anyway, and I have a bit more confidence videoing because Abdi-Fatah is with me, so he'll speak to and be like, allow it. Was 3-2. We're near 3-2. We lost. Next time, huh?
Si fiican buu ciyaarayaa. Yes. Khalid waxa weey chance fiican. Last goal chance Khalid and anuna waxaan assistant. Me assistant Khalid goal.
That's how we do, you know, we them boys.
Making drink.
What is it? Yeah, we're gonna see. Okay. He's gonna make it a drink.
First, only water. Then, second, milk. 4. Sugar.
4 sugars, you know, 4 sugars. Somalis, they love their sugars.
Sugar. Sunkar. Somali sunkar. Bullet. Biscuit. Sandwich. كوب خالد وعبياء. كوب aniga عبياء.
It's nice.
I need to meet you waxaan doonayaa
waxaan doonayaa
inaan
inaan
kula kulmo
kula kulmo
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 exactly
kulmo